Hello everyone, this is Durga Prasad. Our topic is about GitHub Repository Tracker. Let's start discussing the goal of this project. The main idea behind the GitHub Repository Tracker is to demonstrate how Java can interact with an external API, retrieve useful data. And the process for the display. This project is ideal for anyone who needs to API interaction, who want to learn more about handling JSON data and making HTTP requests in Java. Now let's dive into how this tool works. When you run the application, it prompts you to enter the GitHub username. Once you provide a username, the program reaches out to the GitHub API to retrieve a list of repositories for the specific users. The data that comes back includes details like the repository name, descriptions, and the primary programming language used. This information is then parsed and displayed in a clean, user-friendly format. The project is structured from around 3 classes, each with a specific role. First, we have to GitHub config class. This class holds essential configurations like the GitHub API URL and a personal access token. The personal access token is critical because it authenticates our records and ensures we stay within a GitHub rate limits. Without a token, GitHub restricts the number of API calls you can make per hour, which can be a limiting. If you are testing the application repeatedly with a token, we can avoid hitting those limits and keep our records secure. The second class is the GitHub helper. This is where the HTTP request is actually made. Here we use Java HTTP URL connections to establish a GET request to the GitHub API. We also include the authorization header to pass our access token with each request. One of the important features in this helper class is the user of the connection and the required timeouts. Settings the out timeout is critical because it prevents the applications from the hanging. If there is a network issue or if the GitHub server is slow to respond in our code, we set both the connections and read the out. Settings this timeout is critical because it prevents the applications from hanging. If there are network issue or if the GitHub server is slow to respond. In our code, we set both the connections and read timeouts to 5 seconds, meaning the program is waiting. If the API does not respond within the time frame, this keeps the application more responsive and prevents user from waiting indefinitely. So here the output is displayed in the below. Hello everyone, this is Durga Prasad.